Okay, hello and hi and welcome to another quick unboxing and overview. We have today the new Xshot, newish Zero Xshot motorised piston pump, AEB, which, as I'm sure you know, is a motorised springer. So let's get straight to it. This box I picked up from Argos in the UK. The box is quite large. I was surprised quite how large it was. For comparison, that's the Fury. While we're at it, that's two Furies. Oh, I can't even get any more in the picture. So, two Furies, same size as the box. So, this thing's quite large. And this, there we go, that's a Xshot modified standard barrel. So there you go, quite big. What do you get inside the box? Your blaster. And it comes some assembly required. So we've got darts, we've got USB charging cable, because this is a battery blaster. We have sights, which, yeah, it's nice to have them, but really not going to use them. Barrel, because that's attaching. B-car, 15 dart magazine, and iPro, because this is pro level blaster, shoots 150 FPS. You don't want to get hit in the face with that. Darts are a lovely, beautiful pink colour. They are same style of dart and head that comes with the Xshot and the Fury, but they're the same pink as the plastic one. So let's get this thing out of the box. First thing I noticed, it's heavy. It's really quite heavy. Because it's got metal gears, battery in the stock, adjustable stock. Of course, the first thing you need to do is assemble it. Barrel in the end there. Scar on, and no, I can't fit it in the frame anymore. That's it. There we go. Magazine. Oops, excuse me. Nice action. It will gravity drop. So I know you're wondering, is it compatible with Talons? There we go, standard Talon mag. Yes. Gravity drop. Magazine from the Fury. Yes, works great. Magazine from the Xshot. Same magazine with Fury, but different colour. Yeah, it fits. Okay, let's get those out. Where's he gone? Not much I can say about it that other people haven't already. You do need to read the instructions or follow somebody's guide on how to use it and prime it. It's got safe, semi-auto, full auto, charging handle. So the battery is in the stock. Stock's adjustable. Oops. Stock's not back on properly, is it? There's that. The other thing I got a new barrel for my long shot. It was a little too long, so I trimmed it down, and I've got a little stubby end which of course fits in there nicely, so I can actually have a shorter barrel on it. I have no idea what effect that has on the FPS. Probably reduces it, hopefully reduces it, but there you go. It's my very quick overview of the long shot piston pump.